Exploring global delicacies, a gastronomic journey through world cuisines. Embarking on a culinary world tour is a fascinating way to explore the globe's diverse food cultures. This gastronomic journey offers a unique opportunity to learn and appreciate the variety of flavors, techniques, and ingredients integral to different world cuisines. It's not just about satisfying the palate, but also about understanding the history, geography, and traditions shaping these cuisines. Europe is a treasure trove of food traditions, with each region boasting its unique cuisine. From the hearty dishes of Germany, the sophisticated flavors of French cuisine, to the Mediterranean delights of Greece, each plate is an expression of its cultural heritage. A comprehensive guide to European cuisines is like a passport to a gastronomic adventure, offering insights into the continent's rich culinary tapestry. Asia, known for its exotic flavors, is a culinary paradise for food explorers. The deep dive into Asian cuisine reveals a fascinating blend of tastes, textures, and aromas. Be it the fiery heat of Indian curries, the umami-rich Japanese ramen, or the sweet and sour notes of Thai food, Asian cuisine is a delightful sensory experience. The journey through these different cuisines highlights the importance of balance and harmony in Asian gastronomy. South American cuisine is a vibrant blend of indigenous, African, and European influences. A gastronomic exploration of this region unveils a richness of flavors and dishes. From the meat-centric Argentine asados, the seafood delights of Peruvian ceviche, to Brazilian feijoada, each dish narrates a story of cultural fusion and culinary evolution. African cuisine, often overlooked, is an array of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. The African platter offers a diverse range of dishes, each with its unique blend of flavors and ingredients. From the fragrant Moroccan tagine, the spicy Nigerian jollof rice, to the hearty Ethiopian injera, African cuisine is a celebration of tradition, community, and local produce. The American melting pot. Discover the diversity of American cuisine. America's culinary landscape is as diverse as its people. Rooted in a rich history of immigration, each region boasts its unique flavors and dishes. From the hearty soul food in the Deep South, the seafood-rich cuisine of the New England coast, to the spicy Mexican-inspired dishes of the Southwest, American cuisine is a testament to its multicultural heritage. Journey through the Middle Eastern delights. The cuisine of the Middle East is a tapestry of rich flavors, aromatic spices, and diverse ingredients. Known for dishes like hummus, falafel, and shawarma, this region offers a culinary experience that is both complex and satisfying. The generous use of herbs, the art of mezza, and the tradition of shared meals make Middle Eastern cuisine a fascinating exploration. Oceania's oceanic offerings. A look at Australian and New Zealand cuisine. The cuisine of Australia and New Zealand is a delightful fusion of indigenous traditions, British influences, and Asian flavors. Known for their fresh seafood, succulent lamb, and iconic desserts like pavlova, these nations offer a culinary experience that is both familiar and unique. The spice route. Understanding the influence of spices in world cuisines. Spices are the heart and soul of many world cuisines. They not only add flavor but also color and aroma, transforming simple ingredients into exotic dishes. From the fiery chilies of Mexico, the aromatic garam masala of India, to the fragrant blend of herbe de Provence in France, spices are a window into a culture's history, geography, and culinary traditions. The art of bread making, a global perspective. Bread is a universal food present in almost every culture, whether it's the crusty French baguette, the soft Indian naan, the dense German rye, or the fluffy American biscuits. Each type of bread tells a story about its origin. The techniques, ingredients, and rituals associated with bread making offer a fascinating insight into the world's cuisines. Seafood around the world. Exploring sea delicacies globally takes you on a captivating journey through the world's oceans, bringing you up close with the diverse and delicious seafood dishes that are the pride of various cultures. From the sushi of Japan to the clam chowder of New England, this segment serves as your compass, guiding you through the vast world of sea cuisines. Sweet Tooth Travels, a global tour of desserts and sweet treats, is an indulgent exploration of the world's confectionery delights. This portion of our culinary voyage will take you from the patisseries of Paris, through the gelaterias of Italy, to the colorful street stalls of India and beyond. Discover how each country satisfies its sweet cravings in its own unique way. In Cheese Chronicles, an exploration of world's famous cheeses, we delve into the rich, creamy world of cheese. From the sharp cheddar of England to the smooth brie of France to the pungent gorgonzola of Italy, we explore how different countries have perfected the art of cheese making and how these cheeses have found their way into traditional and contemporary dishes. The next part of our journey, The Vegan Voyage, a global guide to plant-based cuisines, takes us into the growing world of veganism. We explore how various cultures incorporate plant-based ingredients into their dishes, creating a plethora of flavors without any animal products. From the hearty stews of Ethiopia to the vibrant salads of the Mediterranean, discover the diversity and deliciousness of vegan cuisine. Finally, in The Tradition of Tea, a global tea tasting journey, we explore the world through a teacup. From the age-old tea ceremonies of Japan to the afternoon tea tradition of England to the spiced chai of India, we delve into the cultural significance and varied tastes of this universal beverage. No matter where you are in the world, there's always time for tea. Wine and Dine, a guide to world's famous wine regions, explores the rich history and distinct flavors of wine from renowned regions worldwide. It covers everything from the sun-kissed vineyards of Tuscany to the centuries-old wineries of Burgundy, offering readers a comprehensive understanding of wine's vast spectrum. Street Food Sojourn, a global street food expedition, embarks on a gastronomic journey, sampling street food from bustling markets and roadside stalls. It offers a glimpse into the heart of local cultures, their traditions and flavors, showcasing the diversity and allure of street food. Feast and Festivities, understanding food and culture through world festivals, delves into the fascinating connection between culinary traditions and cultural celebrations. From the lantern-lit mooncake festival of China to the turkey feasts of Thanksgiving, it presents a vibrant tapestry of food, culture, and celebration. Farm to Table, exploring sustainable and organic cuisines worldwide, introduces readers to the global trend of sustainable dining. It highlights restaurants and communities that prioritize locally sourced, seasonal ingredients, advocating for a more conscious and environmentally friendly approach to food. The Art of Fermentation, a world tour of fermented foods, demystifies the ancient practice of fermentation. From the tangy sauerkraut of Germany to the savory kimchi of Korea, it explores the health benefits and unique flavors of fermented foods around the globe. Rice is a universal staple, celebrated in various forms across the globe. Rice and Beyond, exploring rice-based dishes from around the world, descends into the heart of cultures where this grain is revered, from the fragrant biryanis of India to the comforting risottos of Italy. Coffee is a language in itself, as Jackie Chan once said. The World of Coffee, a global coffee tasting adventure, immerses you in the rich tapestry of coffee cultures around the world. It explores the rituals, brewing techniques, and the unique flavors of coffee from countries like Ethiopia, Colombia, and Vietnam. Herbs are the silent heroes that add depth and character to our food. The Magic of Herbs, understanding their role in world cuisines, presents an aromatic journey through the world of herbs. It highlights their culinary and medicinal uses, as well as their cultural significance in different cuisines. The Language of Food, decoding culinary terms in different languages, serves as a linguistic guide for food lovers. It helps you unravel the story behind popular food names, understand the nuances of culinary terms, and appreciate the diversity and richness of food languages across the world. Cooking techniques are as diverse as the world's cultures. Cooking Techniques Around the World, a comparative study, delves into the unique cooking methods employed worldwide. Whether it's the Japanese art of sushi making, the French mastery of sauces, or the African tradition of cooking over an open fire, this guide sheds light on how cooking techniques define and distinguish global cuisines. The History of Food. Tracing the origins of famous world dishes takes you on a fascinating journey through time, uncovering the roots of some of the world's most iconic dishes. From the ancient culinary traditions of Rome to the spice-infused curries of India, we delve deep into the past to understand how food has evolved over the centuries. This rich tapestry of culinary history offers insights into the socio-cultural factors that have shaped our gastronomic preferences today. The influence of climate and geography on world cuisines explores how the natural environment shapes the food we eat. From the seafood-centric dishes of coastal regions to the hearty meat stews of colder climes, climate and geography play a significant role in determining what ingredients are available and how they are cooked. This examination uncovers the intimate relationship between humanity and nature as expressed through our culinary choices. Food and health. A global perspective on healthy eating habits delves into the various dietary practices around the world that contribute to health and well-being. It examines the Mediterranean diet's emphasis on fresh fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, the Japanese practice of eating small, balanced meals, and the high-protein, low-carb diets of certain indigenous communities. This exploration not only provides a global outlook on healthy eating habits, but also offers valuable insights into the role food plays in maintaining health and preventing disease. Food preservation methods. A worldwide overview is an enlightening study of the diverse techniques used around the world to preserve food. From the age-old practices of pickling and fermenting to the modern methods of canning and freezing, this overview demonstrates how different cultures have ingeniously extended the shelf life of their food. It's an eye-opening exposition of how food preservation has been instrumental in human survival and culinary diversity. Concluding the culinary journey, reflecting on the world cuisine exploration is the final stop in our world food tour, offering a moment to pause and reflect on the diverse culinary traditions we have experienced. It underscores the importance of food as a unifying force that bridges cultures and fosters understanding. This reflection paves the way for future culinary adventures, encouraging readers to continue exploring the fascinating world of food.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.